Hey, hey, Squidgy, it's a beautiful day. Hey, hey, Squidgy, what do you say? Hey, look, it's the Jukebox robot.
Here's a riddle, here's a quiz. Do you know what time it is?
Is it zero?
No.
Is it funny faces time?
No.
Is it Wobble Club dance party time? Yes, yes, yes.
It's time for the World Cup dance party. Dancing at all their six sides, shunting trucks and hauling freight, red and green and brown and blue. They're the really useful crew, all with different roles to play, out in the sheds or far away, down the hills and round the bends. Thomas and his friends. Thomas,
He's the cheeky one.
James,
His fame had lots of fun.
Percy,
Pulls a melon
Gordon,
thunders down the line.
Emily,
Really knows her stuff.
Henry,
Toots and puffs.
Edward,
Wants to help and share.
Toby. Well, let's say he's